scissors.
Lori's opening the noodles.
I need a pair of scissors. Okay. So we only need 8 ounces for this recipe for 4 servings. So I'm only going to use like half of these. So we want to put the noodles in a large bowl and cover with hot water. You set aside until the noodles are softened. Probably about 15 minutes, it says. And we drain and rinse thoroughly. So next thing you want to do is heat oil in a wok over medium heat. So we need 2 teaspoons of peanut oil. See that this is probably about 1 small onion, about that. And then, so 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'll go heavy in the garlic. You don't have to quite that heavy.
You get cutting up the cilantro now. Here we go. That's how you cut up cilantro, chuck style. That'd be about a 1/4 cup. Fits in here, right?
That's the 1/4. Cooking with Chuck and Lori.
There you go. All right, so the heat's on medium, and we're gonna, for Chef Lori, we're gonna
So you cook and
Cook
stir
some
the
onions.
onion and garlic until the onion is translucent, about 5 minutes. So now we add the shrimp to the wok, and we cook and stir until pink, about 4 minutes.
all right, so do that.
And I'll just grab the other mixture I have. So is the shrimp pink enough? Looks like it's pink. So then we add the ketchup mixture. So I will tell you what this is as soon as I have Chuck start adding it.
I'll stir.
So I'll tell you about that in a second, as soon as I get this. So that is, so that is actually a combination of rice wine vinegar, ketchup, fish sauce, chili sauce, peanut butter, soy sauce, lime juice, sugar, red pepper flakes, and cayenne pepper that I did ahead of time. So then it says add the ketchup mixture and stir. Then you're supposed to move all ingredients to one side and you pour in the eggs and cook without stirring until partially set, about 3 minutes.
Okay, here we go. Dumping the eggs in on one side. And we're gonna let them set up. Okay. That'll work.
This is about 3 minutes. And then after that, we're supposed to stir the drained noodles into the shrimp and egg mixture. can put in the peanuts. So then add 1/2 cup peanuts. Ready?
Yep.
We got the peanuts. Yay, peanuts. And then 1/4 cup of the bean sprouts. And it said carrots were optional, but we're not doing carrots today.
Okay, no carrots.
So then cook and stir until noodles are heated through.
They are.
About 2 minutes.
Yeah, I'm sure they're heated. It's been a couple minutes.
And then you can put them on a plate, and then we can garnish with remaining peanuts, remaining bean sprouts, lime wedges, green onions, and cilantro.
All right, let's do it.
And there you have spicy shrimp pad thai.
It looks good. Serve it up. All right.
Cheers.
I feel like Mr. Food. Ooh, it's so good.